Hello students, I know I said I'd make this video tomorrow, but I had some time right now, so I'm going to go ahead and introduce your assignments for the second half of the week. First thing I want to look at really quick is this, the Bolt Yearbook staff wants to hear from you, so since we've had to change so many pages around due to the rest of the school year being canceled, we are asking that you send in a picture with a short quote to describe your experience during the mandated school closure and your experience with remote learning. So send a pic of what you've been doing, send a little quote, you can answer any of those questions, and please get those to me as soon as possible. Alright, so as I told you on Sunday night, I believe, you've got two things due tomorrow night, which you can find those explanations in video explanation part 1. And again, don't forget, journals are due Friday as well, and I'll go ahead and introduce you to your assignments. That will also be due Friday. So first thing I want to talk about is the COVID-19 artifacts worksheet. You will need to type your answers on a separate Google Doc and then turn it in back over here. Go ahead and click on the assignment and go over it with you. Alright, assignment description. What you are going through right now will be generationally defining for you. Collectively, our lives have been disrupted by the coronavirus. We aren't able to finish our school year together in person, and that is upsetting. Our lives have been uprooted by a global pandemic. We are being told on the daily by media that we need to wash our hands often, follow social distancing standards, and wear masks in public. We are living during a strange, scary time. With all of that being said, I've designed this assignment to reflect this time in a positive light so that we will have something to remember it by. Alright, so directions for this. Following the rules below, you are going to select one artifact that you would suggest to a historian 100 years from now for an exhibit about this global pandemic. This artifact can be personal, like my examples, which we'll look at in a second, or an artifact that reflects something more significant. You will need to include a picture of your chosen artifact, preferably a picture you've taken yourself, and you will need to write a description of your artifact. Write about how the article reflects the time we are living in, the artifact, not article, my bad. Aim for your description to be about 5 to 6 sentences. So rule number 1, your artifact can't be anything medical. That would be too easy. And rule number 2, you can suggest something that is unfinished, like a school notebook. So something that you maybe didn't get to this school year that you wanted to. Definition of an artifact, just to be clear, it is a usually simple object resulting from a particular human institution, period, trend, or individual. So something that is specific to this pandemic. So let's go ahead and look at these examples. So these are examples I've chosen. Obviously yours aren't going to be probably even remotely similar. All right, my first artifact is hand embroideries. These are some hand embroideries that I've been doing over this quarantine. It's super nerdy, I know, but you can find my description here. And my second artifact is my new kayak and paddle, and the description here and pictures. I took both these pictures myself. Try to get pictures on this that you've taken yourself. Again, let me know if you have any questions about this. Just read over the directions, listen to this video, you'll figure it out. Okay, let's look at our second assignment. So we are going to do a college research assignment this week and then a career research assignment next week. A four-year college or university would work best for the sake of this assignment. If you're not interested in going to college, please just choose a college that looks most interesting to you to complete this assignment. All right, let's take a look at it. Directions: choose a college or university to research. Use print and or online resources. You're going to find more look in online resources to fill in the required information. It's pretty self-explanatory. You should be able to find most of the answers on the website of the university. You just might have to do some digging. But this Google Doc will make your own copy so you can type right on it and turn it in back over here. As always, let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget the Songs That Symbolize Me project part 1 and 2 are due tomorrow, Wednesday, by midnight. And then also your journals are due Friday, same day as these two worksheets we just went over. So let me know if you have any questions, and I will talk to you guys soon.